In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add trading sessions on TradingView. By the end, you'll have clear session shading on your chart, including regular market hours or extended hours, so you can immediately see when a market is open or closed. First, open TradingView. If you're on a computer, launch your browser and go to TradingView.com, or open the TradingView desktop app. Wait for the homepage to load fully so everything is responsive. Next, open your chart. If you see the chart option on the top menu, click it to enter the main charting view. If your chart is already open, continue from here. Make sure you're looking at the symbol you care about so you can confirm the session display on the correct market. Now, click the gear icon to open chart settings. You'll find the gear on the top toolbar of the chart area. Hover over it and you should see Chart Settings. Click once and a settings window will appear in the center of the screen. In the settings window, go to the Trading Sessions tab. You'll see a list of options related to how sessions are displayed on the chart. This tab controls how market hours and extended hours are visualized, which helps you separate regular trading from pre-market and after-hours activity. Enable Session Highlight or Extended Session. If you want the main market hours to be shaded so you can spot the active session at a glance, turn on Session Highlight. This adds a subtle background highlight during regular trading hours based on the exchange time of the symbol. If you need to see pre-market and after-hours data, turn on Extended Session. This will display trading that happens outside the regular session, often shown with a lighter color or a different shading so you can distinguish it easily. Choose the option that matches your workflow. If you trade primarily during the regular day, Session Highlight is a quick visual guide. If you track price activity before the open and after the close, Extended Session will make that activity visible on your chart. As you toggle these settings, you can glance at the preview behind the dialog to confirm how the chart will look. This change affects only the display. It won't modify your data or orders, so it's safe to enable. Once that's done, click OK. You'll see the settings window close and the sessions will appear on the chart. Look along the time axis at the bottom and across the price area. The regular trading hours should now be highlighted if you enabled Session Highlight, and any pre-market or after-hours candles will display when Extended Session is turned on. If the market for your symbol doesn't have extended hours, you'll simply see the regular session highlight ad. If you switched symbols or time frames earlier, the highlight will still apply consistently based on the symbol's exchange. At this point, your TradingView chart is showing trading sessions exactly as configured. You can move your mouse across the chart to confirm when the session shading starts and ends, and zoom or scroll to check different days. If you ever want to adjust how sessions look, return to the gear icon, open Chart Settings, and use the same Trading Sessions tab to enable or disable the options as needed. That's it. The trading sessions are now added on TradingView and visible on your chart. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.